Na yenya ntie se na nsen cement ashorte ho aye den pa ebo yeman yi mu ni nyina ene se akade ba ko bi a omode ye cement.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. One of the main topics are in the run-up to election 2024. A lot of people were speaking about was very AyEka sa bakuna bakuye kinky say kinky den kofo bebre omuka say kofo NDC form the kinky price ye campaign nya easy I say kinky ufa bebe say kinky ya ko campaign ye breast uko fie bia mo say kinky so kinky say am say 5 series John mama breast na ye say on see na 2 series or 3 series so say I said 5 series. You say, "Omampeni mo amuye aban sika no, aban juma no. Say ye to mu salary mo. Omu si still ye to mu nanso. Kenke wonu e ko so do meto ma NDC. Nukure nso mo koto aban man NDC. Now second thing, a lot of people also use for propaganda people use that to go and vote for NDC. And then we are not making cement. Hey, cement in same way. Cement in same way. Hey, we a communicator, power my MPP on. Uko radio every day. NDC be near NDC communicator be a new wa. Obeba radio station ka cement asem. And a cement ye 70, cement ye 80, and a cement no mama wo no na ye 31, na ye 41, na na obi san wo say na mo amukasa no. Asa simple mo asa simple. Omsi debi. Na muni asase. Na bana say na cement bono. E famu hu sahara afse say de ye kasa bia mo say cement. Na say yo yate. Enti cement bo aye den no. Enam Akufo-Addo sunti na cement bo na aye den na mo say ane. Hey. Enti jata cement no e Akufo-Addo dia. Mo say de mo say ane. Dangote cement e Akufo-Addo de o msi ane Simaf cement no e Akufo-Addo de o msi e nebusuafo de na gasem nso ne e Akufo-Addo de na msi ye na hunhwe Ghana cement Akufo-Addo di ka so yo yate enti enam sa cement nsensem so na nkofo bebre koto abanoma NDC enti koto abanoma NDC wie no. Now we were having one hope. The hope and it's simple. Hope nene say once John Mahama swear or takes the oath of office, once also anymore say, I, John Damani Mahama, do solemnly swear in the name of the Almighty God. Once he takes that oath, pay cement price. Let's start to say go for a bathroom to 31.
Ye clinker no. Ho aye den na clinker no yenye wo ye memu hanum sei ye wa amanone no mo de abrayen ama yen so ye de aye cement na wo mu a omudi cement hu dwa na nsen bobena se de cement ho akwa atwe na wo hwekura ye san de abuntu mu na isi de sato so ama edwa no sei kura cement hu so aye den obi ba se de o pay bia cement we brand we anase brand we ne beka se bi ni ho na amanipa no ene obeka se bi ni ho de a ene me pe foforo a ebetimi aboa me na so se ni nyina mu no se de cement buasi aye den no ama adwuma no egu pa enu nti omo besre se ewo se ye mpanyimfo tena se na kwan a ye betimi ahya ma sa clinker ya ho aye den a yenya bi mfanye cement ama cement bebre na ho akwa atwe no yanka se ye betimi aye den aye bi wo ye mayimu. Na openye kwankyerefo a Ghana Chamber of Construction Industry wadano ora Emmanuel Cherry na wokyere mu se de kwani nyina o mahunu no mate na se de wo mo di cement hu dwa no de ato dwa no mo ne mpanyufo betena se wo mo a o mo ye hwehwemu ahodo o ye man mu no wo mo ne o mo bedi nkita ho na se kwan bi so o betimi aye hwehwemu aboa se bi a clinker no yankasa ye betimi aye bi wo ye man mu ne de aye cement ahodo ama sika ye di hu dwa ho faso na ka heya omba ye ne pepepe esan so mo se de ho akwa atre na nsen ne de ano aye dia esan egu cement adwuma.
All right. Kinky price. Okay, then the kinky asem. Because they say kenke no there, kenke there say and I'm 9 cities, 7 cities. Kitwe no 7 cities, kesi no 9 cities. Kenke no sa. Now fish no cry the they say we talk kenke of fish. Fish no the starting price. Accra 35. Ewo Volta region 25. Uko North 31. And depending on the one kenke fish price. No? But let's leave kenke today. We're talking about cement, also. Now John Mahama comes into office. 3 months later, then we are hearing say shortage of cement. Shortage of the cement. Wait oh. Cement bens cement I see down shortage. I must say Annie. Ebani say yes see. I did be friend clinker. Clinker, what would name clinker no? A raw material I cement. You see a shorty. And he says our clinker now short here. What it means is say factories are more Ghana had all of them they have become useless. They cannot get to produce cement. Bisa say now Dangote cement no eba. Omo say eba. Now then I'm to Dangote cement. Say if they are Ghana for cement now shorty here. Si Dangote cement ne boy din to do. Enye mu na mo ka kire ye say Dangote cement iron Nigeria no sana MPP4 ne Akufo-Addo omutrimu aye dinti. Ena sa Dangote cement ne boy din sa. Ti Mahama ba sa Dangote cement ne price ba form. Esa na mo ka kire ye. Amu say ani. Enti say sa dia Akufo-Addo ni obium. Enti muko kasa muko ni Dangote muko kasa na price no bread for me. Onso mutimi nya hwe fa. Na eba no say na Dangote. So they find money. Eba no say na ono otimi nya clinker ne bi. You know the explanation. The current crop of leaders we have now in Ghana, they do not know how to negotiate. Negotiation skill are very, very, very poor. Absurdly poor. They don't know how to negotiate. And when you look at everything they do, how they carry themselves about, the kind of things they do, what steps they take, arrest you being poor, arrest, you will realize say they don't know how to negotiate. Do you know why I know they don't know how to negotiate? Yet to Abama Joma mewie obetine mas pre omampini no. Look at the kind of countries he's going to. Or call Burkina Faso, call Mali, or call Niger. Or your B Ebia, he has foresight. He will have realized say Ebia clinker, a bit shorty. Clinker shorty, me no friend Ibrahim Mahama, our cement factory. And he mean him say Ibrahim Mahama will have given him a tip of say, Johnny. One, you sure you clinker be shorty. Clinker shorty so a be cement a shorty or market so. Then if he has received that tip off, because your brother has been driving you, and to drive you nyina or vota mu nyina no. Muni ne nkasa, mundi nkomo. You will have known say Togo right here by us is one of the biggest producers of clinker. Togo, one of the biggest producers of clinker. So, and you will say you were foreign minister there, or you're serious. Now you were trade minister being so yes very serious. Now you are man penny, our friend John Domani Mahaman so, or you're very focused leader. And by now, we will have had a bilateral agreement with Togo. Say Togo ebia, you bet me ma anyway. Say cocoa now, bet me ma cocoa. Say gold now, bet me ma gold nibi. So that when you produce clinker, you will only sell it to Ghanaian factories. How difficult is this? I mean the president I me name say I there we meaning. Bank for yet you mo for a budget more yedi 50 million Ghana cedis more mo some quite research. Our presidency or money 50 million old currency then 50 billion cedis. I say mo fire research. Research a brand university some poko mo nya sa scano. Hey, some Mahama buy we mudie. As the horror movie been a show. Wow, movie with the originals. Say na vampires na muna no mo didi nkrofo na mo num nkrofo mo jano. I say that's what we are witnessing in this John Mahama 2.0. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.